Hey there, future financial freedom seekers. Welcome back to Business Top 5, your go-to place for all things business, finance, and achieving the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. If that sounds like something you're into, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Oh, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who could use a little extra cash flow in their lives. Today we're talking about one of my absolute favorite topics, passive income. Who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep, right? But here's the thing, building passive income takes some work up front. It's not magic, it's strategy. So grab a notebook, because we're diving into the top 5 ways to build passive income streams, with actionable steps for each. Let's get started. First up, we've got real estate. It's a classic for a reason. Real estate is one of the most stable ways to grow wealth, but it does require some upfront investment and planning. If you're just starting out, consider house hacking. This is where you purchase a multi-unit property, like a duplex or triplex, and live in one part while renting out the rest. The rent you collect can cover most, if not all, of your mortgage, and you're building equity at the same time. For those who don't want to manage tenants or properties directly, you can look into REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These are perfect for beginners because you can invest in real estate through the stock market. Companies like Vanguard and Fidelity offer REIT funds with minimal initial investment, sometimes as low as $500, making this a low-barrier entry into real estate investing. If you're ready to dive into owning rental properties, do thorough research. Find areas with high rental demand, affordable property prices, and low taxes. Start small with a single-family home and expand as you gain experience. Depending on your market and effort, it may take 6 months to a year to start seeing steady rental income after expenses. Networking with other real estate investors can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Educate yourself continuously, read books, attend seminars, and stay updated with market trends. With the right strategy and persistence, real estate can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. Next on the list is dividend stocks. This is one of the easiest passive income strategies to start. The first thing you'll need is a brokerage account. Popular platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood make it easy to open an account and start investing with as little as $100. Once your account is set up, research companies that consistently pay dividends. Focus on dividend aristocrats. These are companies with a strong history of increasing their dividends every year. Think of household names like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble. These stocks are reliable and can provide a steady income. The beauty of dividend stocks is that you'll start earning payouts within the first quarter of ownership. However, to generate significant income, you'll need to reinvest dividends to compound your earnings. For beginners, expect to invest at least $1,000 to $5,000 to see noticeable results over time. Patience is key, as this method takes several years to build up to a steady income stream. There are different types of dividend stocks, such as high-yield, growth, and preferred stocks. Choose the best ones based on your financial goals. Now let's talk about the online world, a treasure trove for passive income. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, and printables can generate revenue 24/7. The first step is identifying a niche you're passionate about and have some expertise in. It could be anything from fitness tips to photography hacks. Once you know your niche, create your product. For an ebook, you can write it using tools like Google Docs or Canva for a professional look. If you're creating an online course, platforms like Teachable or Udemy are beginner-friendly and guide you through the setup process. The upfront work may take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the complexity of your product. The cost to start is relatively low. You might spend $50 to $200 on design tools, hosting, or marketing. Once your product is live, focus on marketing. Use social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok to promote your product. With consistent promotion, you could start earning a steady income within 3 to 6 months. The best part? Your digital product keeps selling without requiring much ongoing effort. Consider creating mobile apps or software tools, which are in high demand and can be sold on app stores. Subscription services for exclusive content or tools can also provide a steady stream of income. Stay updated with market trends and continuously improve your product to keep it relevant and profitable. Fourth on the list is affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to earn commissions by recommending products or services you already use and love. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Some programs require a website or social media following, but many are beginner-friendly. Once you've joined, create valuable content around the products you're promoting. This could be a YouTube review, a blog post, or even an Instagram reel. Always include your affiliate link so your audience can purchase through it. The initial investment here is your time. Creating high-quality content takes effort, but the financial cost is minimal. Many beginners spend less than $100 on basic tools like a website domain or video editing software. With consistent effort, you can start seeing results in a few weeks, but building a steady income often takes 3 to 6 months. As your content gains traction, your commissions can grow exponentially. Imagine earning money every time someone clicks your link, even while you sleep. Research and compare different affiliate programs to find the best fit for your niche. Look for programs with high commission rates and positive reviews. Networking with other affiliates can also provide valuable insights and tips. Finally, let's dive into peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms and earn interest on your loans. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper make it easy to get started. They handle all the logistics, so you don't have to chase borrowers. To begin, sign up for one of these platforms and deposit your initial investment. Most platforms require a minimum investment of $25 per loan, but starting with at least $1,000 allows you to diversify your loans and reduce risk. It's important to set your risk tolerance. Higher risk loans offer higher returns, but they also come with a greater chance of default. Spread your investment across multiple borrowers to minimize potential losses. You can expect to start earning interest payments within 1 to 2 months of funding loans. On average, returns range from 5% to 10% annually, depending on your risk level. Peer-to-peer lending is a great option for those looking for a steady and relatively low-maintenance income stream. When choosing a platform, research their track record, fees, and borrower profiles to find the best fit for your investment goals. Look for platforms with good reviews and a solid reputation to ensure your investments are in safe hands. Now that you have heard the top 5 ways to build a passive income, let's dive a little deeper into one of the most popular methods, which I'm sure you have seen all kinds of ads for on social media: creating and selling online courses. Online courses have become a popular way to share knowledge and earn passive income. The beauty of online courses is that you can create them once and sell them repeatedly, providing a continuous stream of income. First, let's talk about the benefits. Online courses allow you to leverage your expertise and reach a global audience. Whether you're an expert in photography, coding, cooking, or even dog training, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Plus, creating a course helps you establish authority in your niche, building your personal brand, and opening up more opportunities. Now, onto the platforms. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it easy to host and sell your courses. These platforms offer various tools to help you design your course, upload videos, and market your content. They also handle payments and provide analytics to track your course's performance. When it comes to creating engaging content, focus on delivering value. Break down complex topics into easy-to-understand modules and use a mix of video, quizzes, and downloadable resources to keep learners engaged. Don't forget to interact with your students through Quanda sessions or forums. This can significantly enhance their learning experience. To get started, outline your course structure, script your lessons, and start recording. Remember, the key is to be authentic and passionate about your subject. Your enthusiasm will resonate with your audience and make your course more compelling. Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic way to turn your knowledge into a steady income stream. With dedication and the right approach, you can build a course that not only generates passive income, but also makes a positive impact on your students' lives. There you have it, 5 powerful ways to build passive income streams. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've already got a passive income stream, share your experience so we can all learn from it. Before you go, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And if you found this helpful, share it with someone who's ready to take their finances to the next level. Also, don't forget to check out Business Lifeline Services at businesslifelineservices.com for even more tools and resources to grow your financial success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build that freedom together.